wanna make you mine, baby boy. You know that you're on my mind. That you're on my mind, baby boy. You make me feel nice. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you mine.
Hey y'all, it's me. It's Nishaa on the scene. And I'm about to make another lit video. Hey y'all, it's me, it's Nishaa, and I'm back with another lit video. And as y'all could tell, today I'm doing another hair series, beauty, whatever y'all want to call it, video. And as y'all could see, this is an old as hell. I had this in for like probably a good 3 weeks to a month. Yeah, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but most likely it's like a month. But yeah, I had this hair in for a while, because usually when I have braids, soft locks, any type of twist, anything, I take it out within like 2 weeks. My scalp just gets so irritated, but this I kept in because I was just like, I ain't going nowhere right now. I'm chilling, so I might as well just get a calm little natural hairstyle, easy to handle, easy to maintain, go out, come in, you know, nothing, you're not doing too much. So I was like, all right, so I'm gonna keep this up for a bit. So this is pretty much, I don't even want to show y'all so much because it's old. It's like I have hair so much new growth. The point of the videos, I'm about to put y'all on to some easy go-to hairstyles for old knotless braids. And yes, this is long, so don't worry, I got y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and for my post notification bell on so y'all notified every time your girl posts, okay? And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. My Instagram will be down below in the description. Follow me, support me, all that. Tell y'all this stuff. I'm gonna put up a picture right here of probably 1 or 2 cases that I'm selling. Y'all go support me, go buy my cases. I got designer cases for the low. Yes. Yeah, so it's gonna be on my Depop down below, so please y'all go support, go check out y'all girl. So yeah, let's get straight to this video. The first hairstyle that I'm about to put y'all onto is just a calm hairstyle. If you have watched my soft locks hairstyle tutorial, you would know this hairstyle, but I think that it look cute with this hair and that hair. So some hairstyles is gonna be the same exact hairstyles actually, so if y'all ain't watch that video, go watch that video, okay? So yeah, so the first hairstyle that I'm gonna give y'all, and as y'all can tell, this is old, like this is how I'm gonna prove y'all. Like, look at this, is new growth right here, mad gel in it. We're not even gonna talk about that. It's a hairstyle. So just like this is a side part or whatever, you put some braids. First hairstyle, y'all, it's a nice little side ponytail. I think this is a cute, like, you know, I think y'all seen me with this hairstyle actually in a video. I think my most recent video actually with my best friend. It's like a side little ponytail thing. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but it's cute. So the next hairstyle, y'all, it could be this side part like I just had. Y'all can put it in the back, y'all can put it in the front. It really don't matter. what y'all do. The second hairstyle that I really love is the nice swoop up. Okay, y'all, so this is the next hairstyle. I think this is cute, calm, you know, it's giving me like classy, but like, you know, going on like a little shopping spree, a little something. It's giving me like, you know. Okay, so this one that I'm gonna show y'all is a go-to. I don't know if y'all keep up with my Instagram or my social media, but I always have this hairstyle when I have these braids in, because it's old now, so it's like, it's my go-to hairstyle. But it's a perfect hairstyle to go out in, to go anywhere in, honestly. Just look at how high it is. See how hair's like poking out. Usually when y'all do this ponytail, y'all will take y'all freeze spray and like keep your hair down, or y'all will take gel and gel it down, because right now my hair is all poofy and yeah, it's supposed to be slicked back. Okay. This is the hairstyle. It's cute. Y'all could put the ponytail like this in the front if it's long, have a little whatever effect. This is cute. Okay, y'all, so the next hairstyle is gonna be, basically it is gonna be a regular bottom little ponytail, or bottom whatever knot, whatever y'all want to call it. So you just put it all to the back like so. And then what I like to do, this is like, this ponytail is like a perfect ponytail for if y'all want to like just be chilling at home, kind of cute but not too cute. This is the perfect hairstyle. So you just run it like that, you know, like it's a cute simple little hairstyle. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Okay, so the last hairstyle that I can think about for y'all is okay, y'all, so this is the last hairstyle. It's basically, it's mad cute in the back. It's like a little knot or whatever with your little scrunchie, and it's giving me like real wedding vibes. You know, you can keep it in the back like that, or y'all could put it in the front. You could do something like this, you know. And this hairstyle is like really giving me chill. Or if you dress it up, this could then be a going out outfit. Okay, that's all the hairstyles that I got for y'all today. If y'all enjoyed this video, let me know down below if y'all want me to keep doing these little beauty series for all the hairstyles I'll be doing and stuff, and hairstyles suggestions and stuff like that. Y'all let me know down below. I would definitely do it if y'all want me to. Okay, so yeah, y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for my post notification bell so y'all notified every time your girl posts. Okay, please, thank you. And yeah, so I'm about to start dropping more videos, y'all. I'm trying, y'all. I just don't be having the motivation. Y'all know how I get. I just don't be having the motivation, but I'm trying, y'all. And if y'all want to keep seeing videos, y'all comment down more video suggestions, because I kind of be like, what videos to post, what videos to post. I just don't be knowing sometimes. So y'all let me know some video suggestions that y'all have, that y'all think I would do and have fun doing, or it would be fun for y'all to watch. You know, just let me know. I kind of want to do like blind dates. I want to do like I want to do stuff like that, but I don't know if y'all want to see that. Let me know down below if y'all want videos like that, because I would definitely, I got y'all. If y'all want videos like that, I got y'all. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I said all of that already. So don't forget to follow me on my social media. So don't forget to support my case business. I'm watching. Yes, you I see you. Go support my case business right now. Thank you. And yeah.
I don't wanna waste no time. I just wanna make you